Fruit name apple. Taste sweet. Color red, green. Fruit name orange. Taste sweet, citrusy. Color orange. The next fruit is lemon. Taste sour and tangy. Color yellow. Fruit name strawberry. Taste sweet, tart. Color red. Fruit name banana. Taste sweet. Color yellow. Fruit name grapes. Taste sweet, juicy. Color purple, green. Next fruit is fruit name blueberry. Taste sweet, tangy. Color blue. Fruit name raspberry. Taste sweet, tart. And color is red. The next fruit is fruit name pineapple. Taste sweet, tropical. Color yellow. Fruit name mango. Taste sweet, tropical. Color orange and yellow. Fruit name kiwi. Taste sweet, tangy. Color green and brown. Next fruit is fruit name watermelon. Taste sweet, refreshing. Color green and pink. Fruit name cherry. Taste sweet, tart. Color red. Fruit name pear. Taste sweet, juicy. Color green and yellow. So kids, next fruit name is grapefruit. Taste sour and tangy. Color pink. Fruit name papaya. Taste sweet and tropical. Color is orange. Fruit name blackberry. Color black. Taste sweet and tart. Fruit name cranberry. Taste sour and tart. Color is red. So dear kids, next fruit name is lime. Taste sour and tangy. Color green. Fruit name guava. Taste sweet, tropical. Color green and pink. Fruit name fig. Taste sweet and nutty. Color purple, green. Fruit name passion fruit. Taste sweet, tropical. Color purple and yellow. Fruit name dragon fruit. Taste sweet and mild. Color pink and white. Fruit name lychee. Taste sweet, floral. Color pink and red. Fruit name persimmon. Taste sweet, honey like. Color orange. Fruit name tangerine. Taste sweet and citrusy. Color orange. Fruit name cantaloupe. Taste sweet, juicy. Color orange. Fruit name apricot. Taste sweet and juicy. Color orange.